So you go to your inside your app folder, you create the settings file. Then you do the same thing, import your team text, team view if you have them. If you don't have them, just import your text and view from React Native. Like you just come here, put comma text, comma view. Yeah, from React Native. You understand? Then now you import, because we're navigating this task, you have to do a small navigation. You now import router from Expo router. You understand? Then now we're going to use the custom button we created. So you import the custom button from source slash compound cost sorry source slash component slash custom button. You understand? Now you can, like, should I say, remove the source in your code. You understand? Because most of you don't have source. Not most, all of you don't have source folder. You get, so this source was just here for me to explain something. Like if you have a source folder, you know how to add this source. But if you don't have it, just remove it. No need. Just slash component slash custom button. You understand? Then router from Expo, style sheet from React Native. Then normal export default function, setting screen. So whatever all we're doing here, we're exporting that setting screen. Then a team view or view, team text or text settings, team text or text. This is the settings page, just whatever is going to be there. Then custom button, title, go back. Now the custom button, the title here is go back, because after entering this page, I'm going to go back to the home page. You understand? Then on press this and router dot go dot back, like I'm sending it, like the button when I click on it send me back to the previous page. You understand? Then cost styles equals style sheet dot create, this the normal styles component. Then container my own style, like the class and what I'm styling. Then I'll just come here styles of container. I already explained this before. You understand? So you just come to your index file and do import. What did we just do now? Let me confirm. Okay, with settings. So what you just come and do here is import your settings. Where is it? Give me a minute. So your settings. Okay, now you don't import your settings because now you are doing a routing system. You understand? You're routing. Now let me show you what you do. Make sure your settings inside your app folder. So you just come here. You understand? You now import the custom button, which you already imported. The title now is go to settings. Then on press function. Once you press this on press, this whole thing will come out for you. Then you now have to just fill it in with this router dot push. Router dot push is telling you that when you click on the button on press, router dot push it to the settings page. You understand? Then you put this slash settings because your settings is just inside your apps folder. Your app folder rather, you don't need to go far. Make sure it's inside your app folder. You get, so that's for that tax. So the next tax on the list is the product list. So for the product list, you're going to do it inside this index.txs file. So you just come const product equals array. Array is a length of numbers or something or stuff like that. Then dot from, you are giving it the length 20 because in the tax it's supposed to be 20. Then you are giving the ID of all the products as I. Then you are mapping them into like this. Once you type from here to here, your VS Code will complete it for you. So what you just need to fill in now is the inside, which is the ID with the, now this is not a normal quote. This is the backslash quote, like the inverse quote. You understand? If you look very well, this is not a normal quote, so you just use the inverse quote. Then you prod, give it a dollar sign. Now this I is the I we declared here. Then plus one is me giving this product a value, like making it a value, which is plus one. You understand? I'm not adding one to it. I is the product, then the plus one is now making it a value one, like giving it a value on its own. You understand? And the name is the product, dollar sign I plus one two. Then the same thing, but the price now. Once you write this price, math dot floor, math dot random, x 100 bracket plus one. If you run this, once you press this price and write this math dot, it completes this ones for you. So you don't need to write it by yourself. But this, what this does is do all the calculation for you. You don't need to, like, because we are just doing random data. This data we're just putting it here. On a normal circumstance, your product data is supposed to come from a backend API. You understand? But we're just working on it here and just doing whatever here. You understand? So we're using this function to just get a lot of products and a lot of product details. You get them. When we come here to this place, then we'll now use, now we're using a scroll view, because obviously 1 to 20 is not, is going to like supersede the screen. So you need to scroll. You understand? So you have to like now add the scroll view so you can scroll. You get now the products which you declared here, const products, is you now map it into an item. You understand? And all this part. Then you come here for the product name. Sorry, for the product key, first of all, you give it an item.id. Then for the product name, you give it an item.name. Then you give it a styling. Then for the price, you also put that dollar sign item price. Now color item price. If the item price is greater than 50, the color should be red. The color of the price should be red. So that's what this means. 50 question mark red. You get, so basically this is just everything you need to do. This is just a scheme through everything you need to do from the installation process down to this place. You understand? This is the end of the task. So I'm just urging you guys, like on this, like, I just want to use this video to urge you guys to actually like encourage you guys to actually do researches on your own. Like, you legit don't have time, to be honest. Like, honestly speaking, there's no time. So we have a lot to cover in a little short period of time. So do research on yourself. If we are giving assignments, please do them. The assignments are meant to keep you up to speed. Like, there are lots of mediums now you can use to get assignments done. You can use AI, and when the AI is giving you code, you tell the AI to explain it. Then if the codes are not rhyming with your project, you can go to your own project, see how your project is grouped. Like I've explained, if you have the index.txt and all that, if it's giving you code for app.txt, when you have index.txt, you just like take a screenshot of your folder and send it. It will just give you a scan through of the kind of folder structure or project structure you're using. Do you understand? So just try and actually do these things on yourself. Like, this is just a breakdown of everything we have done. So on your own now, guys, just do this, get it done, and submit before the end of tomorrow, because these are all going to be graded. You understand? So just this, all what I've done so far. So just try as much as you can to get this done. Like, follow the steps I just did, whatever means you want to use, and just get it done. You understand? Why doing them? You encounter errors, use AI to, like, just try and solve your errors. But if you can't solve them, you reach out to me, I help you out and all that. You understand? Then in the process of actually getting them done, if you have any questions, just jot them down. You can ask me privately, or when you come to class. For those that are online, you can't come to class, so you can just drop it on the Google Classroom. Any question you have, I will respond. You understand? So please just get this done, guys. Yeah, thank you, guys.